It's the fastest, most advanced and impressive vessel sailing today. It's highly maneuverable, equipped with the most unusual weaponry, and its aerodynamic shapes make it a beauty to behold. This frigate is the first of its kind, a technical achievement of the highest caliber. It's the LCS-2, the flagship of the US Navy. With its proven trimaran hull, superior maneuverability and stability, endurance to travel 4,300 miles at 18 knots per second, the latest stealth techniques, capacity to carry any 2 mission packages simultaneously, and a flight deck larger than any other surface combatant. The LCS-2 is the literal combat ship that excels anytime, anywhere. And it all starts here, in the extreme factory of Jakom, Europe's largest and most innovative producer of shafts and rollers. A 6,000 square meter factory equipped with the most innovative metalwork machinery, qualified and trained staff. The Jakom factory in the Dutch town of Jakom looks great from the outside, but once inside, it's a metal enthusiast's paradise. The factory was founded in 1986. And under its current management team, Jakom has grown to become a producer of all the largest, smallest, thickest and thinnest shafts and rollers that can possibly be made. Here in this extreme factory, the sky's the limit.
Getting to where we are today has been a real adventure. Started out as a metal factory, we are now highly specialized in shafts and rollers. In a short space of time, we have expanded to a point where we can now service a broad range of companies. They are keen to work with us because they know we can produce almost anything.
These shafts and rollers are destined for various applications, such as in paper machines, shipbuilding, the automotive, foodstuffs, textiles and oil industries. They're often the most important components of machines and vehicles because they keep everything in motion.
Sometimes we joke that Jakom makes the world go round. In fact, it is true because many of the products that help make our daily lives easier are manufactured with our shafts and rollers. We make the world go round.
The products made in this 6,000 square meter mega factory are used all over the world. Shafts produced here have been used everywhere, from the famous Panama Canal to oil pipelines in Siberia. They've been used for entire windmill parks in Germany and drilling rigs off the Norwegian coast, for paper factories in China, mining factories in Johannesburg, South Africa, wind turbines in Australia, and for the LCS-2, the US Navy's ultra-modern frigate. Jakom has become a leading player in Europe by investing in innovation and expertise. For the most specialized jobs, clients travel across the world to Jakom's enormous factory, located in a town with fewer than 20,000 inhabitants. That's because Jakom's factory, covering an area of 6,000 square meters, is home to the best machines produced by leading machinery suppliers. They include the longest CNC machine ever produced in Western Europe. This is the machine Jakom used to make the propeller shafts for the LCS-2. The LCS-2, officially known as the USS Independence, is the newest frigate in service with the US Navy.
The LCS-2 is one of our most prestigious projects in the last few years.
The ship raised the bar with its design, functionality and speed. It's a high-tech ship of the trimaran variety, meaning it's a vessel comprising of 3 parallel hull sections, connected to each other above the waterline. The ship is highly maneuverable and fast, with 4 water jets enabling it to achieve well over 40 knots. The LCS-2 was built by a large international company, which asked Jakom to produce the propeller shafts.
The propeller shafts we made for the LCS-2 had to perform at all times. There was no room for even the slightest error or any concessions in terms of quality. It's so important that these peace mission vessels need to be operational at all times.
All of Jakom's orders follow the same precise procedure in which engineers, planners and production specialists work closely together to achieve the optimal result. It all starts in this department, where the various planners control the process minute by minute and maintain the planning overviews. The planners ensure that the process is organized in the right way, and they constantly keep an eye on everything.
Customers rely on us to ensure that their orders is finished on time. And if not, their production process will grind to a halt. Thanks to investment in our planning overview, we can now offer our customers up-to-date information at all times. Our information system sets us apart from the rest of the sector.
Once the planners have completed their work with the preparation staff, the raw materials arrive. With the raw materials in place, production can begin. Precision machinery allows for several procedures to be performed in sequence, ensuring a high level of quality and control. The most important machining technique used at Jakom is rotating. This is where the product is rotated and chiseled to create the necessary shape. The process is performed using a CNC-operated rotation machine. Shafts and rollers can be manufactured to any length and diameter, and the whole process can take anywhere from an hour to several weeks.
The most important part of the machining process is ensuring that the material doesn't buckle.
After the rotation process, there's often a milling stage.
During the milling process, we create all the shapes that do not need to be rotation symmetric, such as holes in the shaft or roller in aid of the assembly process.
The shafts and rollers are produced by highly trained specialists who constantly monitor the precision of the process. The tiniest discrepancies could lead to serious problems. Quality control is essential at all times. At the same time, the quality of the machinery itself is important too.
We have machines capable of processing any length.
The showpiece is the CNC-operated Wallenberg rotation machine. This is the ultimate record holder in terms of extreme lengths and was used for the LCS-2 propeller shafts, made here in this mega factory by all these specialist workers and their advanced techniques and extreme machines. An advanced American ship with a structure devised in an advanced Dutch factory. A 6,000 square meter factory unique in its field. A factory where the sky is the limit and a childhood dream turned into reality.
We have now reached a point where we can truly create anything.
A place where advanced techniques and real skill deliver the ultimate results. A real extreme factory.